This tutorial shows you how to conduct a Spearman rank correlation in SPSS. The Spearman rank correlation can be used for variables on an ordinal scale or above. To conduct the Spearman correlation in SPSS, go to Analyze, Correlate, Bivariate. I will put 3 variables into the analysis: height in centimeters, weight, and income. Despite them being above the ordinal scale, I can still use Spearman correlation. Under the Options button, you can request the covariances if you need them by checking cross product, deviations, and covariances. Side note, means and standard deviations are only available when you request the Pearson correlation. In regard to missing values, you have the choice of pairwise or listwise exclusion. The latter only comes into effect if you correlate more than 2 variables. Listwise means that rows with any missing values are removed entirely from calculations. Depending on the analysis you run, this can be useful. Bootstrapping and confidence intervals are usually not required, but can be requested under the respective buttons. Don't forget that the Spearman correlation coefficient needs to be selected. Furthermore, the Pearson correlation coefficient should be deselected. If you have formulated one-sided hypotheses, you can request the corresponding one-tailed significance testing below. Finally, the Flag Significant Correlations option is ticked, which will help identifying low enough p-values, especially in larger tables. Since the correlation table is symmetric, you can request only the lower triangle by ticking the box and also remove the diagonal. Those are all relevant options, and you can request the results by clicking OK. The correlation table shows 3 correlations. Generally speaking, focus on the p-value first. If it is below the predefined threshold, for example 0.05, the null hypothesis can be rejected. Reminder, the null hypothesis assumes no correlation, neither positive nor negative, between your 2 variables. I can observe one p-value of smaller 0.001 and can therefore reject the null hypothesis for the correlation of height and weight. The Spearman correlation coefficient for this pair is positive with 0.694, showing a positive association. This is reasonable because larger human beings usually weigh more and the other way around. Keep in mind though that correlation does not imply causation. Furthermore, a small p-value does not tell you about the magnitude of the correlation, aka effect. The magnitude of the correlation is the correlation coefficient itself. Compare it with existing studies or use research field specific thresholds to classify your correlation. If neither exists, you can fall back to Cohen 92, a power primer, and use the thresholds on page 157, 0.1, 0.3 and 0.5 for small, medium and large effect sizes. My correlation of 0.694 is well above the threshold of 0.5, making it a large effect according to Cohen. The other 2 correlations, height and income, as well as weight and income, show no low enough p-values.